Teaira here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did this ponytail, super sleek. It's a jumbo, super long braided ponytail, and I've done this video before, but I had to redo it because I'm a perfectionist. Now I was just not feeling the first ponytail or the first braid, so I was like, I can do better. I know I can do better, so I'm gonna do better. And I wanted to give you guys the best because you guys deserve the best. Gonna be a couple different parts in this video, where from the first video and then from today. So I hope you guys enjoy, continue watching, and yeah, let's get into it.
Hey guys, so I'm just starting off with damp hair, and I'm just going to sleek that into a bun. I am taking the green Eco Styling Gel to sleek that back into a ponytail. So I'm just sleeking that, brushing it, trying to get it as smooth as possible. You do not have to perfect it right now. You guys will see how I perfect my ponytails in just a second. I'm going to take 2 hair ties to secure this ponytail. You want to make sure your ponytail is secured when you have a ponytail, because like an added weave extended ponytail, because you don't want your hair like pulling back. So you just want to make sure this part is super secure. So just make sure you take 2 hair ties to secure it. And then I am just going to wrap this hair up into like a bun just to get it out my way. Now I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel and I'm going to take an edge control brush. And I feel like this is so important when getting a super sleek ponytail. I am going to take every strand and brush it with the edge control brush. And I like that this brush was gifted to me, so I don't know where to get this brush from, you guys, but you can use like a regular edge control brush. And I comb it with the little comb side, and I also brush it with the edge control brush side, and I just sleek all of that with gel. And then I'm just going to take my baby hairs out, or little edges that I don't want too many edges out. I don't want them to be on swim, but I just want just enough. Then I'm going to take my E-bend edge control, and I'm just going to sleek that hair in the front back, just sleek it into the ponytail. I'm not going to put it all over the ponytail, but I'm just going to use it to sleek it back. And then I'm going to blow dry my hair on cool. You can do this, or you can choose not to do this, because you can also just wrap it with wrap strips. I also wrapped it with wrap strips. Here you go, right here. I get these on Amazon, so you can just wrap it. You don't have to have a blow dryer for this hairstyle at all. And sorry, my allergies are acting up because I do have Teaira back, and you guys know I'm super allergic to her. So you want to take this braiding hair, the Rasta free braiding hair, the pre-stretched. I did take the wrap strips off. I could have kept them on, but I decided to take them off. Now I'm going to take my braiding hair and a hair tie, and I'm just going to wrap it like this. It's not tying it in a knot, but it's just wrapping it. I don't know how to explain that. Sorry, but this is from the pre-recorded hair tutorial. I did another hair tutorial, so you guys will see that I added way more hair. I only used 1 pack of hair for this braid, but in reality I needed like 2.5 packs to start off with. So you guys see me wrapping my braid right now, but in the next clip or next 2 clips you guys will see it's going to be way thicker, but it's the same process. You just use the end of that hair tie to like wrap it around your actual ponytail. And in this ponytail, my hair is on top and the braiding hair is under. So I don't know, I feel like it just blends in well that way. So this is the second braided tutorial, because the first one didn't come out as great as I wanted to because it wasn't as thick. This hair is way thicker, so this is about 2.5 packs. So first things first, you want to take out a piece of hair just to cover that ponytail at the end. So you want to take some hair out. I wrapped it around my neck because I didn't know what else to do with it. So don't judge me for this, okay? So now I am just going to split my hair away from the braided hair, and then I'm going to split the braided hair into 3 sections. And this is a lot of hair, so you have to take your time. Don't rush. Now I'm going to split my hair into those 3 sections and like just blend them in with the braiding hair. So I'm just going to put that all together and make sure I brush it out so everything blends in nicely. That is the key. And I'm also adding gel on each part as I braid. So I'm going to get my hair in the sections and prepare to braid it. I'm going to take some gel to make sure everything is blending and staying in place. And I was watching Girlfriends, you guys. That's the best thing Netflix could have done, was add Girlfriends. And I'm just like obsessed. So it was keeping me busy while I was braiding my hair. So as I braid my hair, you do want to start braiding from the back of your head, because I feel like it's tighter at the top. Because I don't know if you guys see those braids where the braid seems like it starts a little lower. It's because I guess they're bringing the braid to the front of their hair and then braiding it. But what you want to do is braid it from the back first. If that doesn't make sense, give me a second and I'll show you. So I'm braiding it in the back before I bring it to the front to start braiding it, because I want it to be as tight as possible. And now I bring it to the front because I feel like bringing it to the front, I can see what I'm doing. I can see the braid coming out correctly, and it's easier on my arms. So I just bring the braid to the front and start braiding it. And if you guys have any like flyaways or whatever, you can fix it at the ends or just gel it down. And I'm just braiding it while adding gel to the braid just to make sure everything is in place and it's sleeking down how I want it to. And it helps with the flyaways as well. Now I'm just going to add some hair. This is optional because the braid, we do have a lot of hair in the braid. This is optional, but I am adding hair for the length because I want this braid to be past my butt. So I want a super long braid. And if you guys can tell, when I add the hair, I add it behind my index finger that's holding the other hair. So I'm going to show you guys again in a second. So take the hair, add it to that piece, and then I put it under my index finger, if that makes sense. I'm sorry, I don't explain things well, but it took me a while to do this as well. So I feel like the more practice, the better you get. Honestly, with braiding, you just have to practice to get better. And I'm just going to continue to braid and add hair, braid and add hair, braid and add hair. And then after a while, you don't need to keep adding hair. I just added hair until I got the length that I wanted. And I do love a good thick braid. I know a lot of people, when they have braid ponytails, their braid is super thin. And I just don't like that look. It just wasn't hitting for me. I feel like the thicker braid just hits a little different. And this was what I wanted. And I finally got it. And I was like, okay, sis, we need a lot more hair for it to give a more grand effect. So I feel like I kind of perfected it in that way. So once you finish, you want to add a rubber band to the end and then take some shears to cut the excess hair. And then you end up with your braid looking like this. Super cute, super neat. Now you're going to take that hair that you put to the side earlier. I'm just adding gel to it and I'm wrapping it around the braid. Adding gel and wrapping it around the braid. Adding gel, smoothing it, wrapping it around the braid. Make sure you smooth the hair just so you can get a more sleeker effect and cleaner effect. So gel it, wrap it, smooth it, gel it, wrap it, smooth it. Then I'm going to take a bobby pin. I hate using bobby pins. If you put a bobby pin in and it hurts, take it out because it's not going to get better. So place the bobby pin where it's comfortable for you. You just want the bobby pins to be comfortable because I hate bobby pins, you guys. Like, I hate it. And then you just want to clean up your hair, like do your edges, whatever you need to perfect the look, do it, make sure everything's in place, and then that's pretty much it.
Way past the booty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. You see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it yet? Can you see it yet? Okay guys, so I am obsessed with my braid. This is the braid that I deserve. Thank you guys so much for tuning. And I love how long and just thick the braid is. Like, she is thick. And she's just so cute. This is just the braid I deserve. You know what I mean? I know when I deserve better, and this is the braid that I deserve. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to thumbs it up. Also, there is a giveaway in this video, and the giveaways from the last video are right here on the screen. So congratulations to you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. To enter the giveaway, there will be some directions and instructions in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.